The noun. The noun in English, the meaning of noun or what is noun. Noun means name. The word noun means name. Or the word noun we can say that the name of a person. The name of a person. For example, Sita, Ram, Ashoka, Akbar, Geeta, Rita, Juhi, the name of a or any person, the name of a person, the name of a place or the name of a thing. When we say that the name of a thing means that we can think of, that is the noun. So the noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Now just look at this following sentence. Ashoka was a wise king. Ashoka is also a noun and king is also a noun. Then what is the difference between both Ashoka and the king? So before explaining this sentence, let me tell you the kinds of nouns. The kinds of nouns, there are 5 kinds of nouns. There are 5 kinds of noun. Kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. So now just try to understand one by one the kinds of noun. Come back at this sentence. Ashoka was a wise king. So now the proper noun and the common noun. Ashoka is the name of a particular person. Ashoka is the name of a particular person. But king, when we say king is also a noun, but king is common. It is common because it can be used for any person or for all. King may be any other person, but Ashoka will be a particular person. So Ashoka is a particular person, therefore Ashoka is a proper noun. On the other hand, king is common to all. So king will be common noun. The noun Ashoka, it refers to a particular king. So it is a proper noun and king a common noun. Similarly, for example, we can have other examples also to make a difference between proper noun and common noun. Sita and girl. Sita is a proper noun. On the other hand, girl is a common noun. Hari is a proper noun, while boy is a common noun. Calcutta, the name of a place. Calcutta is a proper noun, while town is a common noun. India is the name of a country. India is a proper noun, while country may be any other country also. Country is a common noun. So this is the difference between proper noun and common noun. The word girl is a common noun because it is a name common to all girls, while Sita is a proper noun because it is the name of a particular girl. So now look at the definition of common noun and proper noun. A common noun is a name. A common noun is a name given in common. Look at these words: given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. On the other hand, a proper noun is the name of some particular person or some particular place. So this is the difference between proper noun and common noun. Third one is a collective noun. Collective noun, that is collection or the numbers. Collection of persons, collection of things, or numbers of persons or numbers of things taken together or spoken together. For example, crowd, mob, team, all these are collective noun. Crowd, mob, team, flock, herd, army, fleet, jury, family, nation, parliament, committee. We can find a difference, that is between proper noun and collective noun, or between common noun and collective noun. A fleet, an army, a crowd, or that is the jury, or a herd. A herd of cattle, the jury, the police, a crowd, that is a collection of people, army, collection of soldiers, a fleet, collection of ships. Another one is abstract noun. Abstract noun is usually the name of a quality, action or state, and it is considered apart from the object to which it belongs. Quality, action and state. Three things are very important in an abstract noun. Quality, goodness, kindness, all these are also nouns, but what kind of noun? Abstract noun. Goodness, kindness, whiteness, darkness, hardness, brightness, honesty, wisdom, bravery. You think of. Noun is the name of a thing you can think of. So all these are the qualities. Action, laughter, theft, movement, judgment, hate. And the state, childhood, boyhood, youth, slavery, sleep, sickness, death and poverty. So the names of the arts and science, grammar, music, chemistry are also abstract nouns. The last one is material, that is material noun. In material noun can also be divided into two parts, countable noun and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns that can be counted and uncountable nouns that cannot be counted. Countable nouns, for example, that is book, because we can count them, book, pen, apple, boy, sister, doctor, horse, all these can be counted. But these things or these nouns cannot be counted, so they are uncountables. Milk, oil, sugar, gold, honesty, and all these are material nouns.